Evening guys, sorry I've been quiet for a while. It's a crazy time right now. I hope wherever possible you're all staying as safe as you physically can. And so I've had a few saws come in part exchange, which I don't actually want, but they came in against a couple of vintage saws that were up for sale. And so this one turned up in the post, and it's a well, they're iconic. This is the Rancher 61, one of the white tops. So made in from 1978. This one, the date is just visible, 1984, and she's in, well, she's in poor condition, and but has a few things going for her as well. So she has really good compression, and pull start housing looks really good. The side cover has a hole cut for the, maybe that was done for access to be able to grease the clutch drum. I really don't know. No brakes in the throttle housing. The white top is in poor condition, unfortunately. It's got a crack and some breaks in it. The exhaust looks good, and also she seems to start well. So, doesn't rev out perfectly, but done nothing to her, and so I'll quickly take off the top cover. And she's going up on eBay for spares or for parts only, so hopefully this might make a great donor machine for somebody. And you already know that she has got good compression, and she starts, although she's obviously needs tweaking and looking at. Take this top cover off very quickly. So a real iconic saw, the 61. So they use a 48mm piston, and so say they can run from a 16 to a 28-inch bar, because they produce 3.6 horsepower, but it's an old engine, so a longer stroke, quite a torquey engine. And right, let's grab the camera, do a quick walk around, and as well, let me take off the side cover. So we'll do a little walk around, and I'll show it on quickly on a restart, and hopefully it might be a suitable donor or project machine for one of you out there. So no brakes on the handle, side cover really in generally good condition, tiny little brake here, obviously pull start all working well, no brakes on the fuel tank, some tape here on the handle. Haven't explored that to see if it's broken underneath, but assume that it probably is then. Round to the front, no damage. What I can see, looks okay. Exhaust, rusty, but again, looks okay. Clutch present. Again, no brakes on this side of the handle. No apparent fin damage on the engine, which is really nice. They're a gorgeous engine. Obviously carburetor present. No air filter. Has the clutch lever present. The kill switch. Although I've noticed the kill switch is not functioning. Shame about the white top. So lots of damage on this white lid. Could possibly be glued and then used again in some form. But there we go. So that's in poor condition. And the side cover. Okay, right, let's quickly restart it again, and hopefully guys, it's up for sale exactly as it's come to me. Might be a real great source of spares for somebody, particularly as it looks like it's the original pot and piston on the saw, which is always really nice to have. If I put it on very quickly. So she's 1984, makes her 36 years old. But definitely not the cleanest Rancher 61 I've seen, and I have 11 or 12 Huskies at present, so it really isn't one suitable for me, but definitely it's got some worthwhile bits. Well, I'll stop her with the choke, and I've left the cover off so you can see the chain oiler working. Forgot to mention as well, chain catcher's present. Yeah, chain oiler's working really, really well. So hopefully guys, a wealth of spares and suitable for one of you out there. Guys, thanks for watching. Any questions, please just ask. Anybody want to come take a look, you'll be more than welcome. So that's going out for parts or spares only on eBay. That's the iconic Rancher 1984 61. Bye for now, guys.